Never ko talaga kinonsider na maging financial advisor noon kasi sa totoo lang meron akong tatlong bagay na pinaniniwalaan before. And baka ito din yung dahilan mo bakit hindi mo pa siya naiisip na itry ngayon. Hi, I'm Bri. I'm IT by profession and I'm a manager for 6 years in Sun Life and a financial advisor for 10 years. For my past 10 years as advisor, I've helped more than 1,400 Filipino families manage their finances so they can reach their financial goals. Pero ito yung totoo guys, I've never imagined doing this for these three big reasons. Number one, super introvert ako. As in, I never joined any organizations. So, I hated recitation. And one of my high school classmates, nung minsang nakausap ko, sabi niya, nagulat ako, naging financial advisor ka. Eh, di ba nga hindi ka nagsasalita dati? Second, I have no connections. When I started, I was young, quiet, not even really friendly, and wala akong kakilala that I guess na pwede akong i-refer. And syempre, naisip ko, paano ko makakabenta? Eh, wala naman akong kakilala. And third, I don't have sales background. I have no sales experience. Syempre, as an IT, ano ba yung comfort zone namin, di ba? Laptop, PC, yan naman yung lagi namin kaharap. And okay lang yan sa amin kasi doon kami sanay. But sales, walang ganon. But eto ka, this is what I've realized. Lahat pala ng fears ko were just misconceptions. Kasi number one, hindi naman pala kailangan malakas ka agad yung loob. Kasi napapractice naman pala. Number two, hindi pala kailangan madami ka kaagad kakilala. If people see how committed you are, sila mismo yung mag-refer sa'yo. Number three, hindi pala kailangan na maging magaling ka kaagad. Kasi kailangan mo lang mag-start para gumaling. So, gusto mo bang malaman paano ko na-feel na sumakses na ako in this business? Message me on my social media accounts para i-chika ko yan sa'yo. And follow for more. Bye!